Hello everyone. I will present this marvelous framework which is useful to make mobile application. If you want to install it, you need to enter pip install Flet in terminal. We will first import Flet framework and encall it with the FT abbreviation. We have to make a main function with page in argument and call it with ft.app. You can change the title of the app with page.title. I will make a label to show you how it works. I put some properties such as text, color, and size. Now, I make a button to add points to a score. I just make it to make a functional app. Then, I create a function which will add one more point to the score when the button will be clicked. We use page.update to make visible the changements. Now, I will add the label and button in the column with page.add. We run the app to test and see if everything works. However, it doesn't work, so I'm fixing the error. Now it works. I will make one more element to show you how to make an alert dialog. It will appear when the user reach 30 points at the score. Comment this video if you have a question, or you can request a video about programmation. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive notifications of my next videos.